What's up, Internet? So here I am, Jonathan Ayers again. It's been a minute. Had some stuff going on, and in the meantime, I built this thing. So here we're going to give it a try. First go wet editing on the new PC, and I have a picture that was sent to me by somebody wanting to know how to extend the backdrop on their picture of like an infant or a small child. They had a backdrop at home. They said they were super focused on all their props. They just were not paying attention to the fact that the pictures were including the background. So today we are going to fix that, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. All right, so here we are. I already have this all open. So just what we're going to do is, I think I'm just going to use this guy. No, I'm going to use the quick selection tool and just paint in this whole side. Did a little too much. Don't put the backdrop, so that did pretty good. I'm just going to do some cleaning up here. So hit Z for the magnifying glass, and then make sure you have scrubby zoom right here selected. That allows you to drag right and left to zoom in and out. So we're going to go all the way up here. And if you hit the H tool on your key on your keyboard, you can grab your hand. Then we're going to go back up here, and by hitting the L, you can go to your lasso. We're going to subtract from the selection. We don't want this guy in our selection. Here. So add on this. So this way, this is all you're painting inside of this area. Just by doing this, it just prevents you from having to be quite so careful, and you want it right up against the part here, decoration. So that looks good. I'm not super worried about this edge. Okay. So now just hit the S tool. That gives you the, whoa, turn my sensitivity up on my mouse way too high. All right, so clone stamp tool, you can just do S to get that. Hold Control to copy this, paint over where you've selected. So you can see it's not painting over the heart. Space. So there's a couple different ways you could do this. You could do it like this. We're probably going to have to paint over this edge when we're done to get it to match a little better. Small bits. I have the opacity set at 100. Whoops. Brush a little smaller. So to make your brush bigger and smaller, you can use your left and right brackets. The left and right brackets are next to your enter button. Actually, on my keyboard, it's next to my enter button. I'm pretty sure for most people, it's probably next to the backslash, which is above the enter button. Up this whole side here. And so this looks like this is a shadow, so we're going to keep using this. Yeah, we're going to make the brush really small. and try and can make this edge go all the way across. Oh, back to the last cell. Add this S for stamp tool, Alt to select where you want to paint from. Keep on. I don't like that that's so red right there, so I'm paint over that a little bit. Unfortunately, it looks like this is all red. I don't think that's going to work. Oh, duh, stupid. That's funny. Lasso. Just include this really fast. I'm like, man, this is not doing anything at all. So stamp tool, select. Bring the opacity down to like half. Just paint over this right here, so it's not such an abrupt edge right there. And go for this a little bit. It's not quite so red. Yeah, good. We can just keep on painting. Oh, pass it back up to 100. Go here. Keep on cranking this over. Fix this edge really fast. Normal. Okay. So this edge will fix here in a minute, but looks good. Lasso, whoops. Go to our lasso tool. Add that in there. Excuse me. Yeah. S for stamp tool. Alt to pick where you're copying from. Keep on. This is going to be slow going. Just keep doing this until your heart's content on your final product here. So you can keep on doing this for forever. I don't know why I keep pushing that button. I'm going to speed up through all this until we get to the good part, which is done, because no, forget it. I'll show you. This is going to take a while, but bear with me. So here is where someplace I'm just going to do a pretty slow fade, probably like 20% increments. Brush a little bigger. Select here and just do one wipe. Go down another 20%-ish. Everything's approximate. 8%-ish. And we'll cut that in half. Cut that in half one more time. Don't like that. Or fade it brown faster, I guess. Hmm. Oh, I changed the flow. Huh, that's why this wasn't working the way I was expecting it to. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this, apparently. Spent the last, like, probably 2 weeks trying to build this PC, so that was a learning experience all in itself. It was a good learning experience, but a learning experience. It's funny that that's why I was what I was changing. I knew that wasn't working right. I was like, it doesn't really seem like it's fading, but it wasn't. Oops. And I'm just all kinds of weird. I have a different keyboard now, so it's not my laptop keyboard. It's just all kinds of weird. All kinds of weird for me right now. All over the place. So really the only thing I want is around this. Around that. Be done with this whole selection thing. Because now we are going to do the opacity. Do that correctly. Over this. Yeah, we can leave it at 100 for now. We might just do different. Make sure it's soft. 0%. No. It's funny. It doesn't look funny. It just looks funny. I don't know. Do the patch tool here. Wait. Then that's make sure you have. So if you're dragging, if you want to circle what you want to fix, make sure it's on source, because then you're clicking here, dragging to what you want to replace that with. Seems backwards. But whatever. Smooth some of these spots out. Guess I should finish painting. Actually, a faster way to do that. Not perfect around this art, but at the end of the day, I don't think anybody's because there's going to be shadows. There's plenty of shadows from other stuff. Yeah. That didn't work. Go back. So we need to fix this though. This does, but it doesn't. So you could take forever and try and make this look the same as this, but for this example, I think you get the idea. That's not what I'm doing. Make this harder. Go right here. Smaller. Be perfect. I'm just trying to show you how to do this give you a general idea of what to do. You can spend forever making this as perfect as you'd like, or not as perfect. That makes sense. So you get the idea. And there's actually one, don't forget this side. So, but for this side, we're just going to use this down, boom, done. So, all in all, I would say that that doesn't look too bad. No, I don't think so at all. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Now that I've said that that looks fine enough, let's be done with this. So that's that. That's what I would do for that video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, double tap thumbs down button. Leave a comment below if you have any future ideas for videos. I'd love to hear from you. If you have a problem with a video, reach out to me. I'll make a video and show you exactly what I would do. I'm not charging for this. I'm just trying to help other people who are having a difficult time finding a video for exactly what they're looking for. I remember what that was like. So hopefully this helps somebody. If it does, subscribe below. You know what to do. Hit that notification bell. You guys have a good one.